Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is on Suerkeep hair. It comes in this package. It comes in a box. Let me open it out of the box. So I have it. I've had it since like October. We're in February now, so I've had it a good amount of time. I really do like the hair. Right now I have it like a wet look going. I don't always usually do a wet look, but this is the look that I do have going. Comes in this box. Oh, it's a card in here. Okay. It's telling me about a free gift. And got Erica Mena on here. Okay, so let's open the package. Ooh. Let's open the packaging. So I bought another one. Yes, I did, because I like the first one. So, oh, I got some lashes in here, y'all. Whatever your heart desires. Okay, this is how she looks. Okay, she's long, honey. She's like 28 inches. So, boom, it has a net. I'll take it off. Okay. So, what I can tell you is that it doesn't like fade color-wise too tough. Like whatever the original colors you see here are. Let's see if I can turn this up for you. This is what it is. I feel like my black shirt is throwing y'all off. Let me take it off. Hold on. Okay, y'all, here's what she's looking like. Whoa. That's long. I'm gonna try her on for y'all. Hold on. Okay. All right. So, is she set right? Is she sitting right? Okay, she's sitting right. So, as you can see, this is definitely the type of hair you have to pluck the hairline for. Okay, you have to bleach the knots. That's what I did to her. My old one over there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, hair on my face, hair on my face. Okay. I made it, I'll survive, you know. And this is, let me go back. Let me go back. Go back. Ooh. I feel so like you can't tell me nothing right now. Let me check the tag back. You can't tell me nothing. What you said? Who, me? I'm too cute with my lace on. I really don't treat their hair that great. I can tell you that. I do deep conditioning. I do co-wash. I do some leave-in conditioner, but I generally do like a mousse to get the wave that you saw on the other hair. So once you bleach the knots and you wet it, the other look is the look you'll have with this hair. Just an FYI so that you know. So yes, this is what she looks like when she's wet. Keep her deep conditioned, keep her washed, right? I put some mousse in her, leave-in conditioner to get, so I don't usually like the wet look, so I usually keep her dry. Oh wait, oh well, look, it's good, it's sleek, it's nice, but it's just not my thing. I like that head here. May not be the best thing. Right, right. So the hair does take bleach pretty well. I will show you how I bleach knots and wigs in another video. So subscribe to my channel to stay up to date. Turn on post notifications. That's it. So she's all out, yeah. I turned up the light so you can see her good. I'm sorry, that light was dark and wasn't doing it. Look how long she is. Look how long she is. She is long. Honey, I mean, for the price that it was going for, it's just really gorgeous. It really is. But you do have to bleach the knots, as you can see. Let me come in, let me So they don't come bleached, and you do have to pluck the hairline. It says that it's the Remy hair, but honestly, it also said that it was like a virgin hair. So the verdict is still out on that one. I don't really know. But I mean, honestly, for the price, I think it's amazing. It really is. And I've honestly seen it on Amazon now. All of a sudden, selling Amazon. That's a lot. I don't want everybody having access to the hair. All right, I'm being selfish. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. We should all be able to wig shop. But here she is, y'all. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I will answer them. Yes, I will. I shall do that. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye. I'm gonna try her on for y'all. Hold on.